Back in this video, I will show you how to insert double dot above letter in MS Word. So this is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. For this, you need to click on the insert and click the equation on the right side. And in the structure group, you need to click on the accent and you need to click the double dot and you will see a box appear here. Click inside the box and type the letter, for example W, and now select it, go to the home and remove the italic. If you want to change the color of the word, head to the color box palette and change the color of your choice. And if you want to change the color of double dots, then select the entire and change it to like this one. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand. You can insert double dot above letter in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.